How to save money with your remodel. Dear friends, whether it's big or small, remodeling your home can be not only stressful but also expensive. How can you save money when remodeling your home? Make your own budget. The first and foremost thing to do is make a budget. Without a budget, you'll be sailing blind into a storm of debt and despair, but your house will look awesome. It's always best to sit down with your trusty calculator and all household decision makers and see how much you can afford. Once you have your budget in place, you can move forward with your remodeling project. Need in contrast to want. Often when we find inspiration photos on Pinterest, we see the kitchen remodel with all the bells and whistles. While these can be great ideas, they are not always idealistic for our pocketbooks. Know the difference between your needs and your wants. If you can live without the cool but expensive tile backsplash, then cut it out of your remodeling plans. Similar look. You can often get a similar look for half the cost. Instead of purchasing the smaller fancy glass tile, get a larger tile that covers more area that has a similar color and texture. Sometimes looking for a similar design in different material can achieve the look for you at a lower cost. If you're not sure how to achieve the look for less, you can always consult a local designer or contractor. Avoid big box stores. Big box stores are convenient, but they often mark up their products a great deal in order to cover their large overhead costs and to make a profit. It's often best to seek out local wholesale companies. It's true that some will only sell to contractors or designers, but there are usually quite a few places that are open to the public. Use your own ideas. There are always ways to cut costs, such as by doing the project or part of the project yourself. Can you demo your kitchen cabinets yourself? Can you patch a nail hole? Can you paint it yourself? Can you deliver it to your house yourself? Figuring out the little things like these can add up to large savings, especially larger remodels like kitchens. Know where to draw the line on your DIY projects. Some things like moving electrical should always be left up to the professionals. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.